Welcome back to part 2 of our deep dive into the fascinating world of fashion. In the last video, we explored the creative process behind designing clothes, from the designer's sketches to the intricate work of pattern makers, prototype makers, and cutters. Now, we're picking up where we left off. Today, we'll take you through the final stages of production, how garments are assembled, finished, and prepared for sale. Then, we'll show you how these stunning pieces make their way from warehouses to stores, and finally into your wardrobe. Let's jump right in. The packaging lab. In the packaging department, the parts that make up the garment are assembled to obtain the finished product through sewing operations carried out by hand or, increasingly, through special industrial machines. The garment is then finished in detail, according to the instructions provided in the order. We apply interiors, belts, pockets, and haberdashery. We carry out embroidery, and we perfect collars, cuffs, and necklines. It is precisely these finishes that determine the beauty and quality of the garment. The more perfect they are, the more the garment will acquire value. The assembly and finishing processes are carried out by specialized seamstresses, who must have an excellent knowledge not only of stitches, but also of all the materials they handle, from the fabric to the linings to all the accessories that complete the dress. There may be exceptions in mass-market productions related to fast fashion, where the automation of processes results in the use of less specialized labor. Preparing for sale. The finished garments can undergo various finishing treatments to improve their aesthetic appearance, such as garment dyeing or some particular aging techniques, such as bleaching and stonewashing. Finally, ironing and folding ensure a better presentation in the store, and packaging protects the garment from dust, stains, and humidity. Quality control. Before being packaged and shipped to stores, the new garments must undergo quality control to verify their compliance with the quality standards established by the company. The checks also involve the entire production chain, from the raw materials through the various stages of production to packaging. The quality inspector must also check compliance with health and safety protection regulations. Logistics and warehousing. A careful organization of the warehouse is essential for efficient production. This ensures that raw materials and semi-finished products are available and handled correctly, according to the timing and methods established by the production manager. The warehouse manager must keep stocks under control and ensure proper storage. His job has 2 phases. In the first phase, they place a smaller order, just the amount needed to package the samples. Subsequently, after about 15 days, the orders received are analyzed and they place a second, more important order. That's when the actual production starts. The function of the warehouse does not end with production. The bagged and packaged garments are not sent immediately to the stores. They are stationed right in the warehouses until orders arrive. Distribution and sales. The fashion product cannot remain in warehouses. It must be distributed in stores so that it reaches potential customers. Each company can select the distribution channels that best suit its commercial strategies. In the case of direct sales, distribution takes place through single-brand stores. In the case of indirect sales, however, multi-brand stores will prevail. Recently, the rise of e-commerce has further enhanced sales on online sales platforms. Direct sales single-brand stores. Direct sales are characterized by a shorter distribution channel. The manufacturing company is strictly connected with the point of sale, with no middlemen. Single-brand stores market only the products of the manufacturer and represent its brand and global image throughout the world. In some cases, the points of sale are actual concept stores. They don't just sell a product. Sometimes they create strong bonds with the customer, communicating the values of the brand through a real-life experience. The use of direct sales has pros and cons. On the one side, it allows for better management of logistics and the possibility of activating precise communication strategies. On the other side, it involves high costs and requires a strong and highly attractive brand. To reduce the cost of single-brand stores, franchising sales networks have been developed. Franchising is a method of direct distribution based on an agreement between the company that produces clothing, called the franchisor, and the distributor who sells them, known as the franchisee. According to this agreement, the company grants the use of the brand, provides the fitting out of the store, and the goods in exchange for a fixed fee and percentages of sales, which is referred to as a royalty. The distributor must also comply with specific rules regarding, for example, service, communication, and promotion standards, agreed upon with the franchisor. Indirect sales involve the presence of commercial intermediaries, known as wholesalers, who buy the garments from the manufacturer and resell them to multi-brand retail stores. Multi-brand stores host different brands and offer the customer a greater variety of choice. They may specialize in specific products or styles, such as young and sporty fashion, classic and elegant fashion, etc. Among the multi-brand stores, boutiques and department stores stand out in particular. Boutiques are hyper-specialized, small stores located in historic centers or on the most attractive shopping streets which sell high-quality products. Department stores are large stores which offer not only clothing, but also a varied series of other products in which the quality can vary from medium-high to popular, depending on the specific store. Indirect sales are a cheaper solution, but they guarantee less control over the distribution network. It is the only viable one for smaller companies or brands that are not sufficiently recognizable. Alongside the more traditional sales channels, other distribution solutions, such as factory outlets and temporary stores, are becoming increasingly popular. Factory outlets allow you to better manage end-of-season inventories without diminishing the value of the brand. They are often managed directly by high-end brands, which offer the public products at more affordable prices. Temporary stores, on the other hand, are shops, generally small, which remain open for a short time, from a few days to a few months, in historic centers or tourist resorts of particular interest. They take advantage of the curiosity generated around the brand by events, situations, or special occasions. The evolution of the internet has allowed the rise of e-commerce also in the fashion sector. The habit of trying on clothes and the absence of standardized sizes and body measurements has initially slowed down the rise of online shopping for fashion products. But the introduction of free return services and virtual fitting room apps have spiked the channel. Today, almost all fashion companies have websites with integrated e-commerce, but multi-brand platforms such as Zalando, Vinted, and Shein are also widely used. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how fashion goes from a simple sketch to the stunning pieces you see hanging in your favorite stores. It's a process that combines art, science, and sheer dedication at every step. From the creative minds in the style office to the skilled hands in the cutting room, and finally to the moment you take that perfect garment home, it's nothing short of magic made real. But here's the thing, fashion isn't just about clothes, it's about stories, craftsmanship, and connection. So next time you're out shopping or scrolling online, take a second to appreciate all the hard work and passion behind each piece. What did you think of this behind-the-scenes look at the world of fashion? Did any part of the process surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the fascinating world of fashion, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.